Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making cornmeal griddle cakes. Let's get right to it. To start, in a large bowl, whisk cornmeal, hot water, salt, sugar, yeast, and flour together using chopsticks. Use your hands to combine the mixture into a smooth dough. Cover and rest the dough in a warm place for 1 hour. Grease a heated griddle, then take the dough and divide into small pieces in the olive shapes and place cakes on griddle. Cook on high heat for 15 minutes until both sides turn golden brown. Serve immediately and cornmeal griddle cakes is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.